This is Hina. Welcome to another tutorial of dillenium marketing, and today I'm going to show you how can you easily create this simple abstract sort of logo design. I have designed this logo with the concept of the lettering pen, basically that has been used for the as a calligraphy pen that is there's a product, so I have designed this logo for that product. So I'm going just giving you the technique that how can you easily design that just by integrating two shapes together. So let's start now. First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use these two shapes together. First with the three sides and the another one with the six sides. So I'm using this polygon tool for this. Here I'm using the six side first, and then I am going to use the three sides. Okay, so we have created these two shapes here, and now what I'm going to do, I'm simply increasing the size of this shape. Make sure that the fill color should be off and only you want to work with the stroke color, and I'm using the 3 points of the stroke at the moment. Now what I'm going to do, I want to rotate this one, transform, rotate with the 90-degree angle, so it will be looking like this. In the same way, what you have to do, you need to rotate this one as well, and with the 180-degree angle, so it will be facing downward. So now what I'm going to do, I'm simply connecting these two shapes together. For this you have to select this one here, increase the size of this triangle like this, and now what you need to do, you just need to place this one here, increase the size like this, keeping in the middle. You need to make sure how much height that you want for this pen. Here I want to keep it here like this, and now what I'm going to do, I'm simply joining the lines with the triangle to this hexagon, but I don't want to these lines to be included in our shape, like this one and here in the middle part of the hexagon. So now what I'm going to do, I will go into the window here using the Pathfinder tool, and here I'm using the unite option to join all these lines. So you can see we will get the desired shape. Now what I'm going to do, this is very easy. You just need to press Ctrl C and Ctrl F to create a copy of the same shape, and now you can just scale the size, scale down the size of the shape. Now we are connecting these two shapes together like this here, and now I'm just removing this one here and decrease the size. You can adjust the size just by increasing. It all depends upon you how much do you want to create the difference between the lines. So what I'm going to do, I just want to increase a little more here, and now we are going to arrange it in the middle like this. Here you can use this align tool to keep the layers like this. Now what I'm going to do, I will select both layers, so both shapes together, and now going to the object, press expand, and here you can expand these shapes like this. Now what we are going to do, we have to create some colors to this. I want to use the golden color, so I will use the default swatch of golden. Here you can come over here, and I'm using the Illustrator CS6, so you can easily find it. I think it's available in CS3 as well, but you have to find out. Otherwise you can use the other gradients way, or blending, that is the custom based, or you can also taking some blending colors from the some gradient website as well. It all depends upon you how do you want to move for the gradient blending. Now I want to use here the metals. Here I want to use this one, and you can paste simple colors like this here. So this is very simple and easy way to create these sort of design. And now what we have to do, we just need to come over here or to apply some blending, Control F9 to open the gradient window. So here you can see how our design, I'm just removing this one from here, so you can see this is there is mutually, blended with each sides. Now what I'm going to do, I'm simply creating this unite tool to create in a one layer, so it's all a one layer now. So here you can see that it's a one layer object now. Now to create some more illusion to this, what I'm going to do, I'm taking a small rectangle here again with three sides. So this is a very small rectangle. You can rotate it, transform, rotate it with a 180-degree angle like this. Here you can simply place it like this. So now we are going to unite it again, so you can see how it would be looking like. Now what I'm going to do, I'm simply taking this ellipse tool and dragging a simple small circles like this. Here you can apply the blending mode like this to create a simple look of this. Press Ctrl C, Ctrl F and move it down and scale down the size of this circle. So two circles are with a different size. Here you can align it in the middle, and now you can place it just below the tip of the pen. Now what we are going to do, we are going to scale it down like this here, and now we are using this ellipse tool again and dragging a simple oval like this. And here I want to use the opacity around 20%, so it will be looking like this. Place it here, but before doing the other things, other steps, I want to go a bit up, and now I'm simply removing it all here from, and here I'm dragging a simple rectangular box here just for the background. And now I want to keep everything centered back, and here you can simply keep it in the middle like this. And now I want to take it here and just placing it like this. And here you can go into the effect section, stylize feather, and here I want to keep the radius around 18 pixels. Press OK and it will be looking like this now. So you can arrange it properly as per your requirements. So your design is ready. This is very simple and easy way to create by integrating two shapes together, and you will have some sort of abstract concept of to design the logo. So thank you so much for watching, and I will come back to another tutorial. Subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Bye bye.